Welcome to Annotator. The first time you start the application, you will see this box. We recommend opening the user manual, which is always a good idea when starting to work with Annotator for the first time. In the manual, you will find all information regarding the main interface, best practices for the various annotation methods, and more advanced features. This is also where you will find the troubleshooting section should you encounter any issues. In this case, we will focus primarily on getting started. The first step is to select the data you wish to work with. Navigate to the folder you intend to use. In this demonstration, we will work with the Data folder. If we look inside the Data folder, we can see that some data is already annotated. In this instance, there are dog and cat categories. These are the two classes we are working with. Above these, you will find the Annotations folder. This folder contains all data other than the classification subfolders. The source images themselves are located within the cat and dog folders, or any other animal folders you might have. The programs support multiple image formats, but we generally recommend PNG. We are now ready to select the root folder to begin annotating. The system will inquire if new data has been detected. This prompt will appear whenever new data, for which metadata has not yet been generated, is identified. The system will then ask if it should analyze the data for file format consistency, duplicate entries, or other potential issues. As a general rule, it is advisable to accept this prompt. However, you have the option to decline if specific requirements dictate otherwise. In our case, no errors were found in the data. Now that the images have been loaded, we can see the Image Explorer. This area allows you to browse and view your images. To adjust the display, you can use the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the number of columns, thereby altering the image size. Alternatively, hold Ctrl and scroll with the mouse to zoom in or out. For a more detailed view, you can double-click an image to open the image viewer. Within the viewer, you can hold down Ctrl and use scroll wheel to zoom in further to inspect specific details. You can also use the arrow keys to switch between images for faster access. Press Escape to exit the viewer. At the bottom of the interface, you will find the search field. This allows you to find specific images by name. To the right, you will find the sorting menu. You can sort your images by name, by image size, including several different image size characteristics. You can also sort by when the image was created or when it was last modified. Furthermore, it is possible to sort by classification, segmentation, and bounding box features. We will cover these features in more detail in the following tutorials. To the left of the sorting menu, there are additional filtering options. Here, you can filter based on when an image was created, modified, or other filters that may appear depending on the annotation method you are using. At the top of the interface, we have the Storage menu. This is where you connect to cloud data. Then there is Data menu. This provides opportunities to interact with larger general datasets. The Machine Learning menu is used if you have an ML model you wish to apply to your data, either to assist with annotation or to evaluate the model's performance. The View menu allows you to access various data exploration tools and change the interface theme. Finally, the Help menu is where you find the user manual, release notes, and version information. In the top right corner, you will always find a question mark icon. Clicking this will display the keyboard shortcuts relevant to the task you are performing. Once you have familiarized yourself with the interface, the next step is to select the annotation method you wish to work with. We will cover this in detail in the following tutorials.